So yeah guys, my name is Anil Kumar, you are watching me. Let's start registering video without any further delay. So yes guys, this video is going to be the routine of 6th June 2025 and today is Friday. So basically this video is going to be the continuous routine days of routine video of the day 548th days of routine video, right? So let's start. So today first of all I woke up. So I think that I should use woke up instead of wake up, right? But now it is in my tongue that we have to use wake up. No, it's woke up because it is already happened, right? It's woke up. Then after that I washed my mouth, right? Then after that I had taken the bath. Then after that I wore clothes, right? Basically this is the thing what is actually I had done. Then after that I studied, right? Just a moment guys. Yes, as I already told you, it is woke up. I have to use, right? So uh, basically then after that I washed my mouth. Then after that I taken bath and I wore clothes, right? Maybe as I already told you. Then after that I studied, right? Basically after that what is actually happened, my sorry fan's capacitor, that means the fan. But you can actually, let me show you the fan. Here is a fan, as you can see. I'm talking about this fan, right? So this fan's capacitor was not working properly. That means when we on the fan, then the the speed was very slow, right? But after that I changed the capacitor of the fan. Now it is working smoothly and speed, as you can see, right? So yes, so basically today I went there. Then after that I changed the fan capacitor, right? Then after that I basically came home after purchasing fan capacitor. Then I changed, right? Then after that me and my sister went outside for wandering purpose because night gone, right? And after some time later we came home. Then after some time later basically we came home. Then at the time of evening we ate dal pitti. It is in Bihari terms we actually say we ate. Then at the time basically I ate at the time of evening. Then after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is a thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly just likes it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner, right? So now I am going to revise the another way of solving the oversubscription of shares case, right? So the second way, example 2, case 2 is pro rata allotment, right? In Hindi I have written खाली हाथ नहीं जाएंगे, कुछ ना कुछ जरूर देंगे हमदर्द. In case of rejection of access of application, that is bedard, we have to reject the remaining amount. And in case of pro rata allotment, we have to give something. We can't basically we have to give us something to everyone. That means in Hindi I have written it here humdard, right? So yes, so the example is total application money applications here received 12,000 and company issued 10,000 and face value is 10. 3 application, 4 allotment, 3 first call. the applied share is greater than allotted, right? So basically pro rata ratio we can also say that. So we have to revise it. 12,000 application money received, we issued 10,000 share. So 12,000 10,000, the ratio is 6 is to 5. This is pro rata ratio. So if a person applied for 6 shares, then we will allot them 5 shares, right? So this is the basic explanation, right? So uh, इन हिंदी आई हैव रिटन इट हेयर। प्रो राटा अलॉटमेंट के केस में वर्किंग करनी है। प्रो राटा अलॉटमेंट के केस में वर्किंग करनी है जब ज़रूरत लगे। ओके, इन हिंदी आई हैव रिटन इट हेयर। सो द वर्किंग ऑफ प्रो राटा अलॉटमेंट इज, so if I learned this from the last so many months before, so if I get to revise, so it starts from application money received 12,000. Application money actually have to receive 10,000. The remaining is excess is 2,000. This will be allotted at the time of allotment, the excess amount, right? So application money received at allotment, so received in allotment, excess will be deducted from there, and the remaining which we have to actually want from that side. So if I compare this, application money received, correct, 12,000 into 3, and face value are not compared, so 36,000. application money should be received, in Hindi I have written here, होनी चाहिए, मिलनी चाहिए 30,000. So 6,000 is excess due on allotment, okay, 40,000, and excess will be adjusted, that is 6,000, and that is a 34,000 rupees. That means in Hindi I have written it here, allotment पर ये amount नहीं मिला, okay, allotment के कितने रुपये adjust हुए, that is excess adjust, right? So this is the thing what is actually guys happened. Now I'm going to revise the accounting treatment of pro rata allotment, right? So the first entry is bank account debit to share application account, that means 12,000 multiplied by 3, 36,000. Now second entry is share application account debit 36,000 to share capital account, the actual amount, right? So 10,000 multiplied by 3 is 30,000, and the remaining which was actually which will deduct from the at the time of allotment, to share allotment account, that is excess at the 6,000, right? So yes, now third entry is share allotment account debit to share capital account, bank account debit to share allotment account, share first call account debit to share capital account, bank account debit to share first call account. Now the third way is we can do combination of first and two. That means we will also reject and we will also give a pro rata allotment, right? So in Hindi I have written it here, Hamdard plus Bedard. Okay. Example 3. Okay. Example 3 says that total applications received 20,000, on which 5,000 is rejected and 15,000 applications will be given allotment of rupee 10,000. So we will make a ratio of this 15,000 and 10,000 3:2 pro rata ratio, and the 5,000 which we have rejected will be refunded to the second entry, right? So let's start. So first of all, if we do pro rata working, then application money received 15,000 multiplied by 3, 45,000, less application money should receive 30,000, right? 30,000, and excess is 15,000. Due on allotment 10,000 multiplied by 4, 14,000, excess adjust, that is 15,000, and the remaining is 25,000 which will be received at the time of allotment, right? So now first entry is bank account debit to share capital account, right? Bank account debit to share capital account, share application account debit. Okay, share application account debit 60,000. Tools, basically I am doing some mistake here. So this I would like to discuss to the upcoming video. So I think that guys it is enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.